How to invite people to like your Facebook fan page. Hello, Marex here and welcome to my next tutorial video. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook because of the latest videos. Let's start. You have to go to your Facebook fan page, search for post. Under the post there are reactions, you can click on it and here are the people here in this pop-up. You can invite to like your Facebook fan page and simply click on invite and the people are invited to like your Facebook fan page. If you want to make it more automatically, I recommend to use fb-like-inviter.com, like up right here. It's a Chrome extension that can do it automatically for you, and I will put the link in the description. Here is the pop-up from Facebook Like Inviter. You just click on Start Invite and the script or the robot can then do it automatically for you. Here is how it works, and then you get some report of how many people were invited to like your Facebook fan page. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please write me a message or in comments. I would be happy for every like I get for this video, and see you next time.